Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your trusted source for expert vehicle reviews, cutting-edge features, and the latest insights from the automotive world. In this video, we take a deep dive into the 2026 Brabus Motorhome, a vehicle that blends high-end luxury with powerful performance and cutting-edge technology. Built on a robust platform with signature Brabus engineering, the 2026 model offers a unique experience for those seeking premium motorhome travel. The exterior of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is an impressive fusion of aggressive styling and luxury detailing. It features a bold aerodynamic body with carbon fiber accents, LED matrix headlights, and an exclusive Brabus grille design. The overall stance is commanding, with oversized alloy wheels and adaptive suspension, giving the motorhome both road presence and stability. Sleek contours and an extended chassis offer optimal airflow while maximizing interior space. Step inside and the interior immediately reveals Brabus craftsmanship at its finest. The cabin is adorned with hand-stitched leather, ambient lighting, customizable climate zones, and an expansive living area equipped with smart furniture. A retractable bed, modular kitchen, entertainment system with surround sound, and even a compact workspace make the 2026 Brabus Motorhome ideal for long-distance travel or luxury camping. The panoramic roof and insulated windows offer natural lighting and privacy, turning the vehicle into a mobile luxury suite. Under the hood, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is no slouch. It is powered by a turbocharged V8 engine that delivers over 700 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful motorhomes on the market. Paired with an advanced 9-speed automatic transmission and an intelligent all-wheel drive system, it offers excellent performance on highways and off-road terrains. The Brabus tuning enhances torque delivery and fuel efficiency, making sure performance doesn't come at the cost of practicality. When it comes to tech, this motorhome is future-ready. It features a full digital cockpit with AI-assisted navigation, voice command control, and wireless connectivity for all passengers. Multiple touchscreen panels allow users to control lighting, climate, and entertainment. Safety is also top-notch with lane assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and emergency braking all included as standard. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide additional energy for internal systems, increasing self-sufficiency during off-grid travel. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is designed for luxury enthusiasts who value performance, style, and innovation in a mobile lifestyle. Whether you're on a cross-country journey or a weekend getaway, this motorhome provides the comfort and features of a high-end hotel with the freedom of the open road. Brabus continues to set new benchmarks in the automotive world, and this motorhome is a true testament to their legacy of excellence. 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo, an innovative SUV concept that pushes the boundaries of automotive design and technology. Known for their luxury, engineering precision, and futuristic vision, Mercedes-Benz has redefined what an off-road luxury vehicle can be with the introduction of the Armadillo. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo stands out with its bold and muscular exterior that combines the ruggedness of an all-terrain beast with the elegance expected from Mercedes. The body is aerodynamically sculpted yet reinforced with durable lightweight materials. Its name is inspired by the tough protective nature of the Armadillo, reflected in the vehicle's robust body cladding and adaptable shell-like paneling that adjusts based on terrain and drive mode. It rides high with an adjustable air suspension that gives it a dominant road presence while ensuring smooth travel over rocky paths or city roads. Powering the Mercedes Armadillo is a high-performance electric drivetrain supported by dual or quad motor options, delivering instant torque to all wheels. This setup ensures superb traction, making it ideal for both off-road conditions and highway cruising. The acceleration is impressive for its class, with the vehicle going from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. The battery pack is designed for long range travel with an estimated 400 miles on a single charge, supported by rapid charging capabilities that recharge up to 80% in under 25 minutes. Inside, the Armadillo continues to impress with a cockpit designed around the driver and passengers. The interior features sustainable materials, premium leather, customizable LED ambient lighting, and panoramic glass for a spacious and open feel. The seating is modular, allowing for reclining and rotational adjustments for maximum comfort. The dashboard is minimalist but technologically rich, equipped with a curved OLED touchscreen that integrates AI-assisted navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and entertainment control. The MBUX system has been enhanced with intuitive gesture control and voice commands that respond seamlessly to natural language. In terms of safety and assistance features, the 2026 Armadillo is equipped with next-gen autonomous driving technology, including LiDAR-based obstacle detection, 360-degree camera vision, adaptive terrain sensing, and an intelligent drive mode selector that automatically adapts the vehicle for sand, snow, mud, or urban streets. Its advanced traction control and reinforced chassis offer unmatched stability and safety on all surfaces. The Armadillo is not just about looks and power, it also focuses on sustainability. The fully electric platform, recyclable interior materials, and solar panel integration on the roof for auxiliary power all speak to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to a greener future. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo is a game-changer in the world of electric SUV, offering a unique blend of strength, luxury, technology, and sustainability. Whether you're looking for adventure, style, or cutting-edge tech, the Armadillo promises a next-level experience. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit the like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. This is Auto Review Pro, your the source for the latest automotive reviews, features, and expert insights.